This is Keith and E. They're rocking it COVID-19 style, yo.
Gotta be safe.
Yes, sir. So we have the, you said 08 Ford Ranger. Just got this baby. This one was the problem child.
I can bet it was. It was pretty ugly.
Yeah, it was. And it's one of those where sometimes you go all the way down to a certain level and you say, no, there's still crap there. We're not done yet. He may be happy with it, but I'm not. See, I don't like to drive away and have the yeah, but. I don't want the yeah, but. So
you don't want it botched.
The lights are, I guess, what now that makes them like what, 11, 12 years old.
Mm-hmm.
So there was some deterioration I saw in the plastic itself, but I think you're going to be very happy with it. So
let's see the reveal.
Are you guys ready to see your headlight fixer-upper?
Absolutely.
Okay, let's do this. If the wind will cooperate.
Wow.
You know what? If the dealership had that done, I would have paid what they asked for it.
They might have got that extra $500.
They might have got that extra $500, $800.
May I ask what they charge?
That was a $7,000 truck. No, I mean if they had spoofed up,
if they had
made the appearance.
Oh, you're talking about just doing the headlights, raised its
Absolutely.
value like maybe $2,000
Yeah,
easy.
well, you know what? I've got a Scion XD back there that we're going to sell.
Right.
And I'm going to have you do this so that, you know, when somebody walks up,
They go,
they don't
wow,
walk
look
away.
at that.
It's never appearance for me. It's functionality. And this is safety.
Absolutely.
And that's
Right.
what we brought you in for, so that
Yeah.
we could project light. Because this
Right.
thing, you couldn't see 5 foot in front of you.
Right. Well, and that's
So
kinda-
thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, definitely. But so anyway.
Okay, let's see the
Okay,
XD.
so this one was not nearly as bad. It was just a little yellow with a little residue. So this one was much easier. But I just kind of shined it up a little bit, and so.
And this is my daughter's, so we were very worried about safety on this.
Okay. Well,
Right.
this one wasn't too bad. I'll let you have the honors. And boom.
Whee! Wow. Now that is wow.
The gremlin came in, knocked me out, and they bought new ones, and they replaced them without me knowing it.
You're so doing my XD in the back. I mean, somebody comes up and sees that, you're going to sell the car.
All we have to do is, now we all have to just wash the car.
Well, I'm gonna clean. That's the mess. I clean it.
Her.
No, I clean up the rest of my mess.
Booyah.
Thank you. That's nice. Thank you very much.
Booyah, boom.
Booyah, boom.
And all for $10. You have to edit that one out.